Hi all, this is Krishna and I'll be giving a small demonstration on R, and the scope of this video is about how to import an Excel sheet into R, the use of some statistical functions and graphical functions, and I'll be concluding using a regression function. So how to export an Excel sheet into R. This is the Excel sheet I have, and this is present in a folder here. So I want to import this Excel sheet into the R console. So I'll be opening the R console here. This is the R console, and so to import an Excel sheet into R, we need to have a library called gdata. So I click on this. So this library is now into our path, and so now I can import the Excel sheet using the function called read.xls. So as R is about object-oriented programming, now all the contents of the Excel sheet are present now in the variable X. So if you want to see what is there in X, just click on X and say enter. So you got all the contents of the Excel sheet into the variable X. Now whatever you want to perform on the variable X, you can do it. So here is the variable X. Now let's say that I want to view the summary of all the statistics that are present in the variable X. So this gives a bird view of what the attributes are present in the X, and the mean, median, and mode of the attributes that are present in X. And then now I want to so let's say I want to view the mean, median, and the graph of the variable age. For that I will use a function called attachX, and then I will use a function called so this gives the values of the attribute age, and then now you want to view the mean of the variable age. So this is the mean of the variable age, and now we want to view the histogram of age. You have the function called HIST, which is the histogram of age, with which you can view the histogram of age. So, and then you want to view a graph of box plot of age versus heart complications. For that you can use a function called plot of age heart complications. So this is the box plot of age versus heart complications. And then now if you want to say find a correlation between find whether you have any correlation between age and heart complication, so for that you have a function called correlation test, which gives whether if you have any correlation between plot and age and heart complication. So this is the correlation test results. You have a t-test done on it, and you have the p-value, which is very significant, and it also gives the alternate hypothesis that is chosen, saying that the correlation is not equal to 0 and is very significant. In fact, the correlation estimates say that we have 32.7 correlation between age and heart complications.